If CapCut is showing an insufficient storage error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you two simple fixes that can free up a surprising amount of space fast. The best part is that one of these methods clears CapCut's hidden cache, and the other removes old leftover app files that CapCut may keep on your computer after updates. This is one of the quickest ways to fix storage issues without deleting your actual project drafts. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Now let's jump right in. First, let's clear CapCut's app cache from inside the program itself. CapCut stores a lot of heavy files in the background, including rendering files, effect files, and proxy files. These help with smoother playback while you're editing, but over time they can build up and take a huge amount of space. Clearing this cache can often free storage immediately, and it will not delete your working project drafts, so it's a safe first step. To do this, open CapCut on your desktop and go to the main homepage, which is the project selection screen. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the window and click the gear icon. That opens the settings menu. From the drop-down options, click Settings. Inside the settings panel, go to the project tab at the top. In this section, look for cache size. Next to it, you should see a trash bin icon or a clear icon. Click that button to remove the cache. CapCut may take a moment to clear the files, so let it finish the process. Once that's done, you may notice you have significantly more free space on your drive. If your storage warning was caused by cached renders and temporary files, this step alone may solve the problem. If CapCut still says insufficient storage, don't stop here, because there is another common issue that many users never notice. The next fix is to permanently delete hidden older CapCut app versions. Every time CapCut updates on desktop, it can leave behind the full folder of the previous version. That means if you've updated CapCut several times, you may have multiple duplicate versions sitting on your computer, and each one can take up a lot of unnecessary disk space. If you're using the Windows, this is very easy to check. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %local app data /CapCut /apps, then press Enter. This will open the folder where CapCut stores its version files. Inside this folder, you'll see several folders named after version numbers, such as 4.1.0, 4.2.0, or other similar versions. The important thing here is to keep only the folder with the highest version number, because that is the newest CapCut version currently being used. Delete the older version folders to instantly reclaim disk space. Before deleting anything, take a second to confirm which version is newest. Usually, the highest number is the one you want to keep. If you're unsure, you can compare the folders carefully before removing the older ones. Once the outdated folders are deleted, CapCut no longer needs that extra duplicated storage, and your system should have more available space right away. These two methods work really well together. First, you remove the temporary cache files that CapCut builds up during editing, and then you remove the leftover old app versions that stay behind after updates. Between both of these fixes, you can free up a lot of space and often solve the insufficient storage problem without reinstalling the app or deleting your projects. If your CapCut storage issue was preventing you from exporting, opening projects, or applying effects, try these steps in order and then restart CapCut afterward. A fresh restart can help the app recognize the newly freed space. And if you're still having issues, you may want to check your overall disk space on the drive where CapCut is installed, because a nearly full system drive can also trigger storage errors. I hope this video helped you fix the CapCut insufficient storage problem quickly. If it did, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple editing and troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.